Hello everyone, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. I am Sachin Kulle, Assistant Professor at Dindayal Upadhyaya Kaushal Kendra, Automobile Division. In our workshop technology subject in Module 1, Forming and Metal Joining Methods, today's our topic is forging process. Uh, forging process. Forging is a process of shaping heated metal by the application of sudden blows. Example, hammer forging, or steady pressure. Example, press forging, and makes use of the characteristics of plasticity of material. It's the introduction of forging process. In this diagram, uh, we are all clear to the forging process. It's another diagram to the multiple example of forging process. It's a connecting rod of IC engine. It's train wheels, other nut bolts, and various types of fasteners made with forging process. Forging types: cold forging, hot forging, press forging, impact forging. It's types of forging. Classification of forging process uh, by the equipment. Forging hammer or drop hammer, it's one type, and press forging is another type. And by process, open die forging and closed die forging. Forging process in press forging, in the diagram, uh, we can see this. It's a hydraulic press. It's a lower die, it's a upper die in two dies between the metal workpiece, and it's a ram, and high pressure fluid enters into ram, and ram push down this die. It's a movable die and it's a fixed die. When the pressure is applied, the metal shape can change. Process of open die forging. In open die forging, solid cylindrical billets upset between two flat dies. Uh, in second diagram, uniform deformation of the billets without friction, and in third diagram, deformation with friction. In closed die forging, the desired configuration is obtained by squeezing the workpiece between two shaped and closed die. We can see it's a closed die forging. In cavity metal filled, it's a open die forging diagram above, and below the closed die forging above. It's a upper die, lower die. In between two dies, it's a workpiece or metal. Same as a closed die forging, it's a upper die, lower die, and it's a metal. Forging process. Common forging operations include upsetting, bending, drawing down, punching, flattening, fluring, and swinging. In upsetting, increase the thickness or diameter of a bar and reduce its length. Portion of the bar which is to be upset is heated locally. Blow of the hammers must be in line with the bar to prevent bending of the bar. In the diagram, we can see the this portion is heated, and uh, hammering to this portion, and its shape can change. Upsetting means increase the thickness or diameter of the bar, or when the its length is change. Another process is bending. Gives a turn to a metal rod or plates. Spread the metal in the inside of the bends, narrowing at outside. Upset the bar prior to the bending. In the diagram, we can see this bending process. Metal can heated, and bend at the one ends or center or both ends. It's called bending process. Drawing operation. This is the operation in which metal gets elongated with a reduction in the cross sectioned area. A force is to be applied in a direction perpendicular to the length axis. In the diagram, we can see it's a die, it's a workpiece, and pressure applied on the axial perpendicular. Uh, See this, the diameter of the workpiece is more, and with the uh, pulling operation, the diameter of the workpiece is reduced. Forging process. Drawing out, it's reduce the thickness of a bar and to increase its length. Hammering done on the anvil face so that force applied perpendicularly to the length axis. In drawing operation, the force is applied by perpendicularly. Uh, in the diagram, we can see its anvil, its workpiece heated by this area and hammering to the workpiece. Punching. Produce hole in a metal plates using a punch. Metal job must be at a near welding heat. Punch its driven parts way through the job with hammer blows. In the diagram, it's the punch workpieces. We can see this is punch, and the shape of the punch, it's a square, rectangular, or round. Flooring. Heated stock, it's placed on the fuller fixed on anvil. A fuller is put over the socks and hammering is done. Reduce the cross section of the job at required points. In the diagram, we can see it's a fuller tool, it's a anvil, it's a tongue for holding the workpiece. It's a fuller tool placed on the workpiece where the operation or reduce the cross section of job and hammering it to change the shape of the workpiece. Common forging operations. Next is swagging. Produce a bar with a smaller diameter using concave dies, usually done at the ends to make metal ready for next forming process. Provides a reduced round cross section suitable for tapping, threading, and upsetting. It's a swagging operation to metal ready for next forming process. In the diagram, we can see the uh, swagging operation. Thank you. Next part will be discussed in next video. Thank you.